permutations when repetition is allowed. Let n and r be two positive integers. If the repetition of things are allowed, then the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time is n power r. Number of ways of arranging r places with the n given things when repetition is allowed is n power r. Look into the example. ABC are arranged. ABC are three letters that can be arranged. ABC, different letters, not same, different letters. ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. These are of 6 ways. Next, all the things are repeated. Same, all are same. There is 3 ways. Next one is AAB, ABA, BAA, BBA, BAB, ABB. Look here, 2 A's are 3 ways, 2 B's 3 ways, 2 C's 3 ways, 2 A's and 1 B, 2 A's and 1 B, 2 B's and 1 A, 2 C's and 1 A, 2 A's and 1 C, 2 C's and 1 B, 2 B's and 1 C. Totally 3 plus 3 plus 3 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Totally 18. These are of 18 types. 18 ways. There's 3 ways. 21 ways. In 21 ways, at least one thing is repeated. In 6 ways, nothing is repeated. So, totally 21 plus 6, that is 27. So, the number of ways of arranging 3 dissimilar things, taking 3 at a time is 3 power 3, that is 27 ways that we observed here. Let us look into the permutation of repeated things. N things are given, or places are given. How we can arrange? First place can be arranged with n things. Next place can be arranged with n things since repetition is allowed. Third place with n things. Fourth place with n things. Similarly, it contains r places. Each place with n times, r times. So there is n power r. Each work must be done in n ways since repetition is allowed. If there is a restriction, we must look into it depending on its work. Okay, depending on the condition. Okay, at least one thing. Make a note here. At least one thing repeated is equal to total minus non-repeated things. Total is 27 here. When ABC is given, total is 27 minus 6. That is 21 ways. In 21 ways, at least one letter is repeated among the 3 letter words. Okay, so at least one kind is equal to total minus none of them is repeated. At least one thing occurs, total minus none of them occurs. Okay, at least is equal to total minus none. At least one thing occurs is equal to total minus none of them occurs repeatedly. Okay, find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be found using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 when repetition is allowed. So what's given? Look into the problem. What's given? Given thing is numbers, digits are given. What are the digits that are given? Look here, the digits that are given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. How many digits are given? So number of digits that are given is n is equal to 7. Number of digits is n is equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are given. So n is equal to 7. Okay. So what we have to write? We have to find the number of 4-digit numbers. Therefore, the number of 4-digit numbers formed when repetition is allowed. Number of 4 digits. So r is equal to 4-digit numbers that is formed is equal to formula. Very good. Formula is n power r. What is the value of n? N is equal to 7, r is equal to 4. So 7 to the power of 4. Therefore, total number of permutations is 7 power 4. Number of ways of creating 4-digit numbers from the given digits when repetition allowed is 7 power 4. 7 power 4. you can look into the concept here. We can do like this also. Look here. Four digits, four places must be arranged. Four places must be arranged. Work one is arranging first place. It can be done with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 in 7 ways. Work is over. Next work I have to do is the second place to be filled in similarly, since repetition is allowed. If you take one here, one can also be taken here. So it can be done in 7 ways. Third place can be done in 7 ways. Fourth place can be done in 7 ways. So no restriction. 0 is not there. No restriction is given. Direct question is how to arrange 4 places with the 7 digits. It can be done in 7 power 4. According to formula, number of ways of arranging or places with the n things when repetition is allowed is n power r. That is 7 power 4 here. Look into this problem. Find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word rain. If each letter can be used any number of times. So what are the letters that are given? So given letters are R, H, Y, M, E. R, Y, H, M, E. Okay. So you can look into the number of letters that are given. You can look into the number of letters that are given. So number of letters that are given is 5, isn't it? Number of letters that are given is equal to 5. So what we have to write is number of letters is equal to n is equal to 5. Number of letters is n is equal to 5. 5 letters are given. Therefore, the number of 5-letter words required is number of 5-letter words. So the number of 5-letter words formed when repetition is allowed. When repetition is allowed is n power r. Look here, n power r is the value. Formula is n power r. So what is the n power r here? 5 power 5. Since 5 letters are given, 5-letter words are to be created so that repetition is allowed. Therefore, 5 power 5. Okay. Next problem. I will move into next problem here. Next question is find the number of 4-digit telephone numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits are given? 6 digits with at least one digit is repeated. At least one thing is repeated. Okay, and what are the given digits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of digits is n is equal to 5. Therefore, the number of 4-digit numbers formed in which at least one digit is repeated. So formula is n power r minus npr. N power r minus npr. At least one thing repeated is equal to n power r minus npr, which is equal to 6 power 4 minus 6p4. This is the way of representing the answer for the question in IP. Right. Find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word nature that begins with n when repetition is allowed. Okay. So number of words that are given is number of letters in the word is a nature. Number of letters that is given is nature, that is 5 letters. So what's given first? Number of letters is 6. What we have to do is we have to arrange them. Therefore, the number of 5-letter words that begins with n. So formula is n power r. My answer is 6 power 4. Since look here, remaining n can be arranged in the first place in one way. N can be arranged in first place in one way. So my first working as no value. It can be done in only one way. No option is there for the arranging. So next remaining 4 places, repetition is allowed. Each place can be done with in 6 ways. Each place can be done in 6 ways. This can be done in 6 ways. Third place in 6 ways. Fourth place in 6 ways. Fifth place in 6 ways. So totally answer is 1 into 6 power 4. So since n must the word must begin with n, there is no restriction for the first place. First place can be done in only one way. It is restricted. It can be done in one way. So no need to think about the first place. So remaining 4 places, 6 letters. Therefore, the number of 5-letter words that begins with n is 1 into 6 power 4. Okay. Find the number of 5-digit numbers divisible by 5 that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when repetition is allowed. Look into the numbers carefully. What's given is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is there. So when you arrange it in the first place, the number of 5 digits, when you arrange the first place with 0, if you write after 4 digits, then it becomes a 4-digit number. So in order to become a 5-digit number, so first place should not be 0. So that is first one. Next, it must be divisible by 5. Last place must be 0 or 2. So I have to do this in 3 different works. I have to place last place first to be filled first. That is my first work. And then first place should not be 0. That is my second work. The remaining work is completing the remaining places with the remaining digits. Remaining digit means since repetition is allowed. Okay. So next work is first work. Number of digits given is n is equal to 6. I go for the first work. What is the work 1? 0 or 5 is placed in last place in 2 ways. So it can be done in 2 ways. Look here. What is my second work? Second work is the number of ways that first place is filled without 0. So in how many ways you can fill without 0? So it can be done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without 0. So it can be done in 5 ways. First last place can be done in 2 ways, and then first place can be done in 5 ways. Next, I go for the third work. Work 3. What is work 3? Work 3 is filling up of 3 places. Second, third, fourth place. Filling within three places with 6 digits when repetition is allowed is with the formula 6 power 3. So look into this. First place can be filled in 5 ways. Last place in 2 ways. And the remaining in 6 cubed ways. So second, third, fourth place can be filled in 6 ways. And then the number of 5-digit numbers which is divisible by 5 and repetition is allowed is 2 into 2 into second work is 5 into third work is 6 cubed. Therefore, this is equal to 2160. This is the answer. This is the way we have to represent the answer. W1 is 2 ways, W2 is 5 ways, W3 is 6 cubed ways. According to fundamental theorem, total work is, first work is done. Still, total work is not completed. Work 2 is done. Only first place is filled and last place is filled. Still, I have to do some work here. Remaining 3 places must be filled. So, work 3 is filling up second, third, fourth places. Now, work is completed. So, according to fundamental principle, simultaneously, all the work can be done in 2 into 5 into 6 cubed ways. 2160 is the answer. Okay. There is the way of representing the answer. It must be clean and clear. Find the number of functions from set A containing 5 elements to set B containing 4 elements. So, number of functions from n of A is equal to 5 to n of B is equal to 4 is, formula is n of B power n of A is n of B power n of A, that is n of B is 4 power 5. So we know that the number of 1 functions is equal to n of B p n of A. Number of bijections is equal to n of A factorial. Find the number of bijections from a set A containing 7 elements onto itself. We already discussed this type of problems in functions. A number of functions that can be formed from set A to set B is n of B power n of A. The number of 1 functions is n of B p n of A. The number of onto functions from set A containing n elements to set B containing 2 elements is 2 power n of A minus 2. The number of bijections from set A to set B is n of A factorial, or n of B factorial. So number of constant functions is number of elements present in B, that is n of B. So number of many to one functions is total number of functions minus number of one functions. Number of into functions is a total number of functions minus onto functions. We already know all these formulas. Therefore, number of bijections is n of A factorial. So n of A given n of A is equal to 7. Number of bijections number of bijections is equal to n of a factorial, that is 7 factorial. Okay, so that is the formula. Next, we move on to palindromes. Then we'll look into the problems based on that. What is meant by palindrome? A number or a word, a number or a word which looks alike either from left to right or from right to left. If you look from the left to right or from the right to left, it looks alike. Then such type of words or numbers are called as palindrome. So you look here, A, T, T, A, either from left to right or from right to left. It's look alike. Malayalam, M at the ends. Next second place from the end. Third place from the beginning and end. Fourth place from the beginning and end. Middle term. So you look it looks alike either from left to right or from right to left. So these are the number of examples for palindromes. Wow, mom, madam, 12021, 123321, Oppo, Malayalam. These are some of the examples for palindromes. So note down the important point here. The number of palindromes with odd distinct letters that can be formed using the given n digits. N digits are given. How to form a palindrome with odd digits. Then number of palindromes is n power r by 2 if r is even. N power r plus 1 by 2 if r is odd. Look here. Suppose I have given 3 letters A, B, C. Then how many 4-letter word can be formed such that it is a palindrome? First place can be filled with A, B, C in 3 ways. A, B or C. If you place the first one, last place must be the same. Last place must be done in one way as that of the beginning. If you're taking in 3 ways here, whatever you take, you have to take here. This has no restriction. It fixed. It's a certainty is there. Next, the second place can be done in 3 ways. Again, repetition is allowed. So in 3 ways. Next place, from the beginning second place, from the end second place must be the same. So it can be done in only one way. Therefore, number of palindromes that can be formed is 3 square. If ABC is given, 9 palindromes can be formed. 9 palindromes can be formed within the ABC. So since R is even, 1, 2, 3, 4, R is equal to 4, N is 1, 2, 3, N is equal to 3. Therefore, according to formula, if N is even, N to the power of R by 2, N is 3 to the power of R by 2 is 4 by 2, that is 3 square ways. Okay, next one, look into this, 5 letters, A, B, C, D, 5 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the beginning, so ABC are the letters, so I can write it as 3 ways. Last one is 1 way. Next one 3 ways. Last to second one is 1 way. Third one in 3 ways. It's okay. So the number of palindromes that can be formed with the 3 digits. Number of 5-digit palindromes, 5-letter words that can be formed within the 3 letters ABC is 3 power 3. Formula is since R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. 5 is an odd number. Therefore formula is N. N is 3. R plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 is 3. So answer is 3 cube. So 27 palindromes can be formed here. So the formula for the palindromes of creating odd digit letters or letter words from n letters is n to the power of r by 2 if r is even, n power r plus 1 by 2 if r is odd. Right? Looking at the problem, number of palindromes with 6 digits that can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So number of palindromes, second one is 13579. Questions are given. First one, I go for the first one. I have to create a 6-digit palindrome. So what's given? Given digits. Given digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what I have to create is a palindrome. With 6-digit palindrome, I have to create a 6-digit palindrome. 6-digit palindrome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places. First place and last place. First place and last place should not be filled with 0. So first work one is place number of ways of arranging. Number of ways of arranging. First place and last place without a zero is equal to first place. Let us look into last place later. First place and last place, I write in the first place as four ways and last place as one way. Okay. First place and last place without zero is 4p1. First place can be filled with a 2, 4, 6, 8. Whatever we're taking the last place in one way. So you can write like this also. Don't write this. So number of ways of arranging the first place without zero is 4 ways. Without zero is 4 ways. Right. And next, note the palindromes. The last place. Work two is last place. Last place can be filled in only one way. Only one way. Since whatever we take in the first place, that is placed in here. So it can be done in one way. So next, work three is remaining three places. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4 places can be filled with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Filled with 0, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 to form palindrome. Palindrome is equal to how many? 6 are there, 4 places are to be filled out. So R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. N is equal to 3, 5. 5 to the power of R by 2 means 4 by 2. So 5 square ways. So total work, total number of palindromes is equal to 4 into 5 square. So 25 into 4, that is 100 palindromes can be formed. 100 palindromes can be formed. So why we are doing work 1, work 2? Why can't we write in direct elements? Since 0 is there, with 0, we can't form a 6-digit number. If 0 is placed here, it will not be considered as a 6-digit number. It becomes a 5-digit number. So work 1 is number of ways of arranging first place without 0. That is 4 ways. 2, 4, 6, 8 can be placed in first place in 4 ways. Last place can be filled with the same letter that we used in the first place. It can be done in one way. Then remaining letters or remaining ways of forming a palindrome is 5 square. Total number of permutations is this. So is it clear? Right. Second one, I give a clue here. Second one, I write it simply. Since number of digits n is equal to 5, we need a 6-digit palindrome. R is equal to 6. 6 is an even number. Therefore, number of palindromes is equal to n to the power of R by 2 formula. So 5 to the power of 6 by 2 is 3. That is 5 cubed. 5 cubed is nothing but 5 power R by 2. No? So 5 power 3. 5 is 25, 5 is 125 will be the answer. 125 will be the answer. Okay. So that is second one answer. So you can do it very easily. First one you have to understand. Next problem. The number of ways of arranging odd things in a line using the given n digits in which at least one thing repeated. So total number of arrangements when repetition is allowed. Total number of arrangements when repetition is allowed is equal to n power r. Number of arrangements in which repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed is equal to npr. Number of arrangements in which at least one thing repeated, in which at least one thing repeated is equal to total minus non-repeated. So n power r minus npr. So that's the way we have to represent this problem, right? Next, last problem, and in the exercise 5b is find the number less than 2000 that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 if repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, number of numbers less than 2000. Less than 2000 means what is work 1? Work 1 is we have this is the 4-digit number less than 2000. Number of find the number less than 2000 that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. If repetition, so there is case 1. Single digit numbers. Single digit numbers. Number of single digit numbers. Number of single digit numbers. Single digit numbers. N. Number of single digit numbers is equal to only one digit. Since repetition is allowed, either it may be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be there. 4 ways. Next, case 2. Number of two-digit numbers. Single digit numbers are less than this. So, two-digit numbers. Second option, second case is two-digit numbers. What are the number of two-digit numbers? Single digit numbers, two-digit numbers. Number of two-digit numbers. Number of two-digit numbers is equal to, look here, there is two-digit numbers. Since repetition is around, no zeros are there. 4 square. This can be done in 4 ways. This can be done in 4 ways. Each 4 ways. So, 4 square ways. Case 3. Case 3. Three-digit numbers. It's very clear. Three-digit numbers are also less than 2000. Looking at this problem, we have to find number of numbers less than 2000. Single digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are less than 2000. Two-digit numbers 12, 13, 14, 21, 23, 24, 41, 42, 43. These are numbers less than 2000. Three-digit numbers are three-digit numbers. Three-digit numbers. Look here. Three-digit numbers 1, 2, 3. First place can be filled in 4 ways, second place 4 ways, third place 4 ways. So number of three-digit numbers is equal to 4 cube. Okay. Next, case 4. What is case 4? Four-digit numbers. Four-digit numbers, that too less than 2000 we need. So four-digit numbers that starts with 1. That starts with 1. Okay. Since four-digit numbers that starts with 1 we need, number of four-digit numbers is equal to number of four-digit. Okay, it is a four-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4 places are there. First place is filled with 1. It fixed certainty. So remaining places certainty is not there. Therefore, 3 ways. 4 ways. Since repetition is allowed, each place can be filled with 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 ways. So number of four-digit numbers is equal to 1 into 4 cube, which is less than. So number of numbers less than. Therefore, number of numbers less than 2000 is equal to, first one is single digit numbers, second one two digit numbers, 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 1 into 4 cube, 64. Then nothing but this is 64, 64, 128. This plus 4, 132, 132 plus 16, 148. That's the answer. Next, 9 digit different letters of an alphabet are given. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using these 9 letters, which have no letter repeated. You can do it's no letter repeated is in the formula is NPR. So at least one thing repeated is n power r minus NPR. So you can do this as homework. Next, find the number of 4-digit numbers which can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8 that are divisible by 2. So first one is divisible by 2. How many digit number? 4-digit number divisible by 2. Look here, my work is I have to fill this 4 digits. I have to fill this 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. My work is 2 digit. It must be divisible by 2 means last place must be an even number. So first work is place 0, 2, 8. Given digits are 2, 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. So these are the even numbers. If you place 0 in last place 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. So we know. So it can be done in 3 ways. This is my first work. What is second work? First place must not be 0. It should not be placed with 0. So it can be done with 2 or 5 or 7 or 8 in 4 ways. No restriction for the remaining 2 places. Since repetition is allowed, 5 numbers are there, 2 places, 5 square ways. The third work. So now you have to write like this, divisible by 2. What is work 1? Work 1. Units place can be filled with 0 to 8 in 3 ways. Okay, so this is work 1. What is work 2? W2. Work 2. Work 2 is number of ways of arranging. Number of ways of arranging. Number of ways of arranging. First place. First place without 0 is equal to 4 ways. Okay, right. What is work 3? Work 3. Remaining 2 places. Remaining 2 places, that is tens and hundred place. Remaining 2 places can be arranged with 0, 2, 5, 7, 8 in 5 square ways. So therefore number of 4-digit numbers, number of 4-digit numbers divisible by 2 is equal to how many? So 3. Work first work, right, into second work into third work. So 100 into 3, there is 300 ways. Okay, this is the way of arranging 4-digit numbers, so that the 4-digit numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so is it easy or difficult? Means when 0 is there, it looks somewhat interesting and difficult. So given digits are 0, 5, 2, 5, 7, 8, 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. How many of them are divisible by 4? How many divisibility by 4? So second problem is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. So I do my work here. Look here. There is first place, is second place. Third and fourth place must be filled out such that it must be a multiple of 4. So 0, 0 may be there so that it is divisible by 4. 100 divisible by 4. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4 means it in the last place must be 0, 0. You have an idea, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 8, 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 6, and then 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 8, 3, 2. Multiples of 4. Okay, let us search here. 0, 0 is there, 0, 2, 0, 5, 0, 7, 0, 8 is there, and then 2, 0, 20, and then 25, 27, 28, and then 5, 0, 5, 2, right, and 5, 2, 5, 7, 5, 8, and then 7, 0, 7, 2 is there, 7, 2, and then 7, 7, 8 is not there, and then 8, 0, 8, 0, 8, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 ways. First place should not be 0. So my last work is completed. A multiple of 4 must be there. So last place is completed. So last place must be 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 8, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 4, 4, 8, 8, such that till two distant numbers, 4 multiples of 4 must be there. Okay, right, and then first place should not be 0. That is my second work. It must be filled with the 2, 5, 7, 8. It can be done in 4 ways. And then second place, last two places are filled with the two distant numbers, a multiple of 4 in 8 ways, and the first place in 4 ways, and the second place in, since repetition is allowed, it can be done in 5 ways. So we have to write in the works that we completed. Work 1 is number of ways of arranging last two places with the two distant numbers 0, 0, 0, 8, and then 2, 0, 2, 8, 5, 2, 7, 2, and then 8, 0, 8, 8 is equal to 8 ways. This is first work. Right, work 2 is number of ways of arranging the first place without 0 is equal to 5 ways. 4 ways. 2, 4, 7, 8. 4 ways. That is my second work. Work 3 is number of ways of arranging second place, number of ways of arranging second place with given digits is equal to 5 ways. Only one, no? 5 ways. So number of 4 digit numbers divisible by 4 is equal to, first work is 8, second work is 4, and then third work is 5. 5 4 20 into 8, 160 numbers are there which are divisible by 4. Many of them question here how it is divisible by only three numbers are filled out. No. Last two places are filled within the two distant numbers. If you fill the 0 0, then two places are filled out. If you fill within the 0 8, two places are filled out. Then we remain with the first two places. First place should not be 0. It can be done in 4 ways. Second work is the second place filled within the 5 ways. Right. Next one. Look into the divisibility, divisible by 6. When consecutive numbers are given, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Consecutive numbers, either whole numbers or natural numbers are given. Let us consider this. Let us 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are given, 6 digits. Let us find the three digit number. Arrange 1, 2. Last place may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to 1, it is not divisible by 6. 1 to 2 is not divisible by 6, not divisible, not divisible, not divisible, not divisible. So when you arrange first two places, then the last place can be filled in only one way, such that the total distant number is divisible by 6. You're taking any two numbers, whatever the number you say. Let us consider 4, 5. Let us arrange last place within like this. We can arrange within any of the 6. 4, 5, 1. 6, 7 is 42, 31, 6, like this is divisible, this is not divisible, not divisible, not divisible, not divisible. 42, 32, this is not divisible. 36, it is divisible. Sir, no, sir, I can take 1, 1, no? Yes, you can take 1, 1. You arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at last. 1, 1, 1. 6 ones, 51, 52, 53, 54. The 51, 52, 53, 55, 56 are not divisible by 6. 54, 114 is the number divisible. So when you arrange first two places in all different ways, then only one number among the consecutive natural numbers or whole numbers will be arranged such that the total digital number will be divisible by 6. Now I do my work like this. I need a 4-digit number from these digits when repetition is allowed, and that too it must be divisible by 6. Let us consider my work here, my 4-digit number. Look here, there is my 4-digit number. First place should not be 0, so it can be arranged in 5 ways: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be done in 5 ways. Remaining 2 places, repetition is allowed 6 square ways. Last place can be arranged in only 1 way. However, you arrange first 3 places. Now all this 6 square, 36 into 5. 36 into 5. 5 into 2, 10. And then 18. So 180 numbers will be formed. In each and every number, last place is left over. That last place can be filled in only one way, such that the total digital number is divisible by 6. Work 1 is done in 5 ways. Work 2 is done in 6 square ways. Work 3 is done in 1 way. So total number of ways